Hey, hello, what's up guys, this is Vishnu Nadal, and today let us see how this repairing toolkit, actually this is from Amazon itself, Amazon Basics, and your trusted store for new beginnings. Okay, let's get started. This came in this pack, and this is the billing, and as you can see I have bought it for like, okay, the price is included as well. Yeah, good over here. As you can see, it's 397. Let's say 397. 181. Okay. And I think if you purchase any product from Amazon Basics, the package is going to be like this. And it's a pretty good and decent package, and yeah. And this is a 10-piece electronic repair screwdriver set in various languages. Yes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 languages in total. And there's some rules sort of made in China. Well, this is made in China though. Amazon Basics official price is of 800 rupees, but in the official website itself it's for 399, 379 or something. And yeah, that's it guys. Let's open it up very quickly. I think so. Okay, push it. It's tightly packed. Anyways, completed. Open this thing, and the other side, and we have our toolkit, the box itself we got, and anything else, there's nothing inside it. And came with this plastic package and this engine seal, and this is the box. Says Amazon Basics over here, and there's nothing much written on this, only just Amazon Basics. So well, there's a slide. Yeah, you wanna slide this thing, and this is a normal. Okay, this one's solid. The hinge is okay, pretty decent. Well, the first impression on these plastic things, it's okay-ish. I mean, like plasticky, sort of rough. And this is the main device. I mean, you can do like this, I think. Okay, and there's a SIM ejector toolkit provided in the box. Okay, this is a normal basic SIM ejector toolkit. And there's a suction cap so that you can easily remove the back panel of any device such. And yeah, there's only a slight difference between the breadth of these two. This is a lot bit long enough than this thing. Okay, well, skip them aside, and there's over. And this is plastic, hard plastic, and the quality is also good of the box. quality of the box is good, and the glass too. It's not, it's rigid, and this is how you're gonna open this thing. Well, 1 2 3 4, and in a total there are like 6 12 bits. You're gonna get 12 bits, and let me place them, and let me pick this one and try to insert it. It's pretty easy. It's just, I mean, there's a magnet in it up to my knowledge, and just go and sit over there. And well, I don't know how to use this, but you can basically, you can just go ahead with this thing, and to hold this thing, and we're gonna do like this. Okay, and yeah, this is pretty much about this thing, and the bits are also of nice quality, as you can see, no breaking, so they're good. And let me place them out, and there's a hinge like thing product in the box, and that's it. This is all about this Amazon Basics toolkit, which is worth of 376 rupees, and that's all, guys. And they are providing with a straight one and a star, T2 T3 T4 T5 T6 T7, and there's a plus mark over here. It says pH 000, and the plus, which is a pH 00, and another star, which is 0.8, and another Y in shape, which is Y 000, and 2.0 which is straight, and 1.2 which is straight. And this is all about the bits available, as you can see. And that's all, guys. This is all about in detailed review. Well, sorry for that. And yeah, this is all about the in-depth review, I mean, like the detailed review of the quality, and this is also pretty hard and good. Everything is nice, and about these bits, the bit, yeah, these plastic bits are also very strong, so you can work with them. This small bit over here, I think this is a value product. I mean, yeah, well, it lived up to the mark, like from a brand, so it should live longer. So I hope these will live longer, because as hard I push, and they're not, I mean, they're good, they didn't break. And yeah, and this is all about this thing. And if you like the video, hit the like button and the subscribe button to never ever miss any of my updates. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.